So the recipe I'm going to share with you today is going to be a turkey slider. It's a perfect one to have for the day after Thanksgiving leftovers and stuff. So let me show you the whole process from start to finish. So let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is take this Hawaiian rolls we've got. We're going to cut them in half. We'll make our sliders out of it. So this is a perfect recipe for Thanksgiving for leftovers. We use all the ingredients you had at Thanksgiving dinner on this slider. We got the dressing. And I'm going to take it and put it right on top of this. Just going to go a thin layer on top of it. So as you can see, we're taking the turkey, we're just pulling it apart and kind of covering it generally across the entire thing. We don't necessarily need to have it perfect. I just kind of give it so that every piece will have at least a bite of turkey into it. Now I'll start adding my cranberry sauce. And you don't have to go this heavy if you don't want to. So now we'll start adding our cheese to it. I'm using pepper jack cheese. I like the spicy back end heat to it you get from pepper jack, and it kind of offset the flavor of the cranberry sauce and complement the meat sauce from the turkeys. Now we're going to take our butter mixture, generously go over top of this, very liberally. We'll put all the ingredients, everything in the description down below. So I've got my Recteq set 350 degrees. I'm going to put this on for about 15 minutes. One point of note that we're using this glass pan. The glass pan is going to help radiate the heat throughout the whole process. If you use a thin aluminum pan, just be careful with it because it can overcook the bottom and burn the bottom. The glass pan will add a little more of an insulator and it won't have that problem, but it will have that problem if you use a really thin half pan or aluminum disposable pan because they're so thin. So I'm putting this right in the Recteq 1250. Let's get started. So give me about 15 minutes while it's on Recteq 1250, then come back, I'll show what we got. So we'll be right back. All right, so we got the slider, just took them out the smoker. They got nice and golden brown, exactly what we're looking for. All right, so now I'm gonna come right across here and slice them right down the line. Oh, that look cool. That looks really cool, don't it? Look at that. Look at that. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, slice me a piece of them. Let's taste it. Y'all ready? I'm ready. That's really good. You got the sweetness of the cranberry sauce, the sweetness of the glaze we got into it, the buttery flavor, got a little pepper jack cheese, a little back end heat to it, along with the filling part of it, of the dressing. That's how you do it, buddy. That's really, really good. Bam. Simple recipe to make Thanksgiving leftovers. So we're going to decide, say the blessing, and eat this from leftovers. But before we do that, we got to let Dolly try it. You ready? Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I know you will too. Again, appreciate watching videos. Now say the blessing. Let's go inside and eat. Lord, bless the food by receiving. You stand and pray. Amen. Those are good. You try this, Michelle. They're really good.